I'm Max Nodder, one of the directors of Viper Innovations. We've produced this site as a source of information for a product we've developed called CableGuardian. Developed in collaboration with the rail industry, CableGuardian supports the ambitions to reduce maintenance costs and time-related infrastructure failures. With the increase in age of many signalling power cables, failures are becoming more of a problem for asset managers. Additionally, cables are stolen, vandalised and damaged by vermin. In all cases, the affected cables are generally difficult to find. Current methods of location involve personnel walking the lines. This takes time and resource and often results in long delays for passengers. Industry standards require periodic testing of each cable within the signalling power supply system. Complying with the standard is a challenge because it needs to ensure availability of sufficient electrical technicians who are often in short supply. Additionally, these tests can only be performed when the trains are not running. These tests are expensive and can only provide the status at that moment in time. CableGuardian brings together insulation resistance monitoring and conductor monitoring technologies into a single platform. It enables continuous monitoring, fault diagnosis and fault location on live systems. No need to power down. CableGuardian reduces the frequency and duration of trackside fault-finding campaigns. Within this site, you will find an array of resources, each designed to give some background and hopefully answer any questions. If you require any more information, please use the inquiries link below.